How to enable or disable LED flash for notification on Samsung A27. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on accessibility. After you click on accessibility, click on advanced settings. After you click on advanced settings, click on flash notification. After click on flash notification, so click on camera flash notification. After click on camera flash notification, so scroll down and turn on messages app. If you want to disable LED flash for notifications, turn off this button. After turn off this button, LED flash for notification is disabled. If you want to enable LED flash for notifications, turn on this button. After turn on this button, LED flash for notification is enabled. After the process, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.